So 2 questions from the quizzes. I put some questions, another student emailed me questions and I put them on the Moodle site.
Where? I don't think, let me see actually.
Right down by the final exam.
Oh, yes, I see it. Question. Okay, perfect. I'll look at let me see if my question is on this. No, I don't see this question on here. Let me try to find it in here so I can send it to you. What just happened to my mouse?
Oh, shoot. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm in the wrong place. Oh my God.
Okay, I just sent it in the chat.
Oh,
If you expanded it, it may actually look prettier. Okay, so first off, degrees of freedom. Oh. So we have n equals 25, k equals 3, right? So degrees of freedom equals k minus. Is that right? So check 3, 25 minus 3 minus 1, which would be 21. Right?
just a sec. I'm gonna try and work on this. Just a sec, okay?
Mm-hmm.
The F, critical F at 5%. Didn't I do this earlier? I feel like I just did this.
I don't think I saw it.
Where did I put that stuff? Oh, here it is.
And this is from chapters 15 and 16.
Yes. P degrees of freedom in the numerator and n minus p minus 1 degrees of freedom in the denominator. So p degrees of freedom would be 3, and n minus p minus 1 would be, what's this? 25. 25 minus 3 minus 1 or 21. So the F table, let's have a look at the F table. Oh, geez. Degrees of freedom. Numerator, what I say was 3. So 3, and the denominator is 21. What'd they say the answer was?
4.87. I thought it was 3.07.
Yeah, that's what I got for 5%. So
Yeah.
that's a mistake on the test.
Okay.
So it should be alpha. If alpha was 1%, then it would be 4.87.
Okay.
You know, I'm sorry. Let me find this test. Let me find this question in the test bank.
Okay.
This was quiz 6, right?
Yes.
Let me find the see the questions. Inner regression of a first order model. Okay. I've deleted that question from the quiz bank.
Okay.
Sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. There are a lot of mistakes in the quiz bank.
Okay, it happens. Oh, there's another one. So is the final cumulative? I'm assuming it is.
Let me have a look at that. I was looking at that. I was gonna look at the final myself because I
Okay.
don't remember. Yes, it is. So there are, I'm looking at the final and there are like 2 questions from chapter 2, 2 questions from chapter 3, 2 from chapter 4, right? 2 questions until we get to the recent material, chapters 13. My wife is calling. The recent material has more questions, but there are a couple of questions from each chapter for the earlier material. But the
Okay.
final has, so for example, like chapter 14 has 6 questions. Chapter 17 has 6 questions. Chapter 16 has 6 questions. Chapter 15 has 6 questions. 13 has 6 questions, and all the other chapters each have 2.
Okay, so it's more.
So it's
cumulative.
weighted a little heavier on the end, yeah.
Okay, makes sense. All right, thank you. All right, last question I had, and I'll send it. This is from chapter quiz 5, chapters 13 and 14. Hmm. Yeah, this one, I couldn't even find the answer on this one, so I just like guessed at this point. But so the way I worked it out was SSE divided by NT minus K. Six divided by 3. We're at 14.8.
Yes, I agree with you. God,
Yeah, because I'm like, where did 12.1 looks like it's 399, so the SSE divided by 33. So I don't even know like
right.
where 33 is.
I'm sorry about that. I thought I had gone through and found all of these mistakes. I'm going to remove that question also.
Okay.
Let me just find it, okay?
Uh-huh.
I have to find it in the quiz bank, which is no easy feat.
Sure, there's plenty of questions in there.
I'm sorry about that.
It's okay, no worries.
Did you see the a little notice I put up about don't watch the movie, but answer the 3 questions on the
Yeah, at the end of the mini case?
yeah,
Yes.
okay. So that everybody knows that that's what you need to do?
I would assume so. I watched it anyway because it was like, well, let's see what it's about. It's pretty interesting.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
It's like, it's really cool, but it's also really scary at the same time.
Yeah, it's terribly scary, yeah. Yeah, but there's a lot of that going on, you know?
It's true, yeah. So if it falls in the wrong hands, a lot of scary things, like the guy said, a lot of, someone could get hurt.
I know. Okay, what else have you got?
There is another question. I got the answer right for it, but I feel like I'm not satisfied on like my the way I determined the correct answer. Here it goes. Read it out somewhere. Chapter 13. Where was that at? Yeah, so I used MSE equals S squared, but where did I even find that? That's chapter 13. Huh. I know it was somewhere around here. It may have been a different chapter.
What did you use?
MSE equals S squared.
Yeah. It's 14.16 is the equation.
16. Yes, yes. Okay, so yeah, because I think what threw me off is that it says the standard error of the estimate is determined to be 4. Like, wouldn't that be SSE? Like,
I'm not sure what you're looking at. Oh,
on that, oh yeah, on the actual question.
what?
I sent it through chat.
Oh,
SSE. Yeah, because this is S stand for the standard error of the, no, that doesn't stand for the, right? That's where
No,
like I'm like confused.
it's an estimate of standard deviation, S. So if you knew the population, you would use sigma. But if you don't, if you're using an estimate, you use S.
Mm,
For standard error.
okay, so if you don't know the population, you're saying to use S.
Right,
Okay. And that is the standard error of the estimate?
right. The square root of S. The square root of S squared, or S. Standard error of the estimate.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, because like afterward I was like, why did I use S? Like, you know, okay, that makes sense. Well, I think that's all the questions I have for now.
Yeah,
That was it, easy peasy.
well, so you're in good shape for the final.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of struggled the last two quizzes. I had to attempt them 3 times.
Yeah,
But I went back and I worked through some of them, and one of them finding the total mean. I didn't really understand like the equation in the book at first, but then like I figured it out.
it
So I
gets
got
more
those.
challenging, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Um, yeah, and then some other ones, they were just like dumb mistakes, like looking at the distribution and using the numerator for the denominator and like flipping them.
Yeah, okay, I get it.
Yeah, so that happened and it was like, okay, that was dumb, but
All right.
okay, well, if I have any other questions as I'm going through some material, I'll send you an email.
Yeah, don't hesitate to send me an email and let me know if any of you, if you're watching this as a recording, if any of you have questions, just shoot me an email.
Okay, all right, sounds
All
good.
right. Well, good luck.
All right, thank you. Have a great day.
Okay. Okay,
Bye.
you too. Bye-bye.